Why do you actually need an IT park? Especially in this scenario where people are effectively working from home, this question is very, very relevant. I would very strongly say yes, it is needed. When we started Info Park in Kochi, we just wanted to leverage the strengths of the city as a business city, and we expected a sudden growth. The person who conceived the whole idea was the IT secretary then, Mrs. Aruna Sundaraj, who gave the complete vision, and the minister, Mr. V.K. Kunyalikutti, was closely behind, and he was really behind me with very, very tight targets. I have to acknowledge that we had a wonderful team also. I gave a proposal, clear proposal within 3 days, and that finally led to the acquisition of 169 or 159 acres of land. Within the first 10 months of operation, we got about 42 small companies into Info Park. The first MNC which came was ACS, which was a BPO company, pretty big one. And they finally, Xerox took them over, and then we had a massive operation in the town. The major campus which came is of course Wipro, and Wipro was the first IT campus by a major company in Kerala. We were participating in all the international exhibitions like CeBIT and GITEX and whatever shows are happening in the country, BangaloreIT.com. So those things were on. And then we were requesting them to personally visit, be our guest and stay for a couple of days and go. All those who have come and seen Info Park have finally decided to take a space in Info Park. This was a very, very successful model because seeing is believing. Info Park has actually influenced quite a lot in the look and feel of Kochi today. All of a sudden there was a spurt of activity locally. I have seen it, I have witnessed it. Shops were coming, and markets were there every Sunday. So that model grew when companies started dispersing high salaries to people. The total amount of disposable income grew in this region, and that actually triggered a wave of change.
Info Park has turned Sweet 17. It has become a major economic, business and social landmark in central Kerala. Info Park is currently home to around 415 companies, employs around 50,000 plus IT professionals, and there are more people who are indirectly associated. So in total, the job creation that Info Park has done touches almost 2 lakhs, including IT and non-IT jobs. And at this point, when Kerala's IT industry and India's IT industry is looking at a post-COVID resurgence, I think Info Park is rightly poised to get to the next level. And the objective of Kerala IT parks in general and Info Park in particular in this case is to project and position our parks as destination of choice for IT professionals and IT companies to come in. We want to create world-class social infrastructure around parks. We want to have world-class transportation infrastructure providing access to Info Park. We love our companies. We want to attract more companies which currently don't have a footprint in Kerala as well as in India. So we have very ambitious goals, and to realize those ambitious goals, we need to have strong public-private partnerships. We need to be able to invite strong private sector players who can come in and set up world-class IT campuses within Info Park, or we have our sister organizations such as Smart City. So we want to develop this whole Kakinada area, the area where Info Park is located, as an IT corridor. It consists of around 300 acres of IT campus. It is an exciting time in the history of IT industry. We are seeing a bunch of new technologies emerge, and we are seeing IT being deployed in every single industry. There is a digital twin that is being born in every single industry vertical, and technology is at the core of making that happen. In this scenario, Info Park has a big dream, and it also has a solid foundation from which it can realize or build on. Team Info Park is well poised to fulfill that dream, and we have very high hopes for the future.
I'll be the happiest person to see that Infopark is celebrating the 17th annual. I'm sure this will grow multiple fold in the coming years, and I wish all the best for Infopark.